Okay, we're on to first 30 adjectives to learn. So these are all listed in the masculine singular form, but remember to change their endings to match the noun or pronoun being described. Okay, so just for simplicity's sake, I put them in that form. Okay, so I'm going to say each word twice, and I want you to repeat after me each time so that you get some pronunciation practice, okay? Here we go. Aperto. Aperto. Open. Bello. Bello. Beautiful or nice. Bagnato. Bagnato. Wet. Bravo. Bravo. Good or able. Brutto. Brutto. Ugly. Buono. Buono. Good. Caldo. Caldo. Hot. Caro. Caro. Expensive or dear. Cattivo. Cattivo. Bad. Chiaro. Chiaro. Clear or light. Chiuso. Chiuso. Closed. Difficile. Difficile. Difficult. Divertente. Divertente. Fun. Facile. Facile. Easy. Felice. Felice. Happy. Freddo. Freddo. Cold. Forte. Forte. Strong. Gentile. Gentile. Polite or nice. Giovane. Giovane. Young. Grande. Grande. Great or big. Leggero. Leggero. Lightweight. Noioso. Noioso. Boring. Nuovo. Nuovo. New. Ogni. Ogni means each or every. Ogni does not change form, so you do not have to change. There are some adjectives that you don't change forms for. Ogni is one of them. Pesante. Pesante. Heavy. Piccolo. Piccolo. Small. Secco. Secco. Dry. Simpatico. Simpatico. Nice. Triste. Triste. Sad. And vecchio. Vecchio. Old. Okay, now you can also add endings to adjectives to alter their meanings, such as adding the ending issimo or issima, issime or issimi, which means very or extremely of whatever the adjective is. Note, you must first remove the final vowel before adding one of these endings. Okay, so for example, if you want to add it onto bello, you take off the O, and then it would be bellissimo to mean very beautiful or very wonderful. Okay, or grande, you take off the E, and then it becomes grandissimo, meaning very great or very big. But just remember to use the appropriate ending here, just like you would change the other adjectives, okay, to match the noun that you're describing. Here we go. Remember, adjectives must match the noun or pronoun they're describing, which includes endings like these here, okay? So, for example, if you want to say, la ragazza è felicissima, the girl's very happy, you'd use the ending in an A here because it matches with la ragazza. Okay, but if instead you want to say I palazzi sono vecchissimi, okay, the buildings are very old, then you would use the ending with the I here because it matches with palazzi. Okay, so just a little side note there. All right, so there you go, your first 30 adjectives to learn. And remember that you change the endings to match with the nouns, but there are some that you do not change the endings of, and some of them only change in the plural. Okay, like pesante. Okay, because it ends in an e. Okay, you don't need to change it to pesanto. Okay, you don't do that. You'd say pesante or pesanti for plural. Okay, so there you go.